Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Nabnaleena from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the mouth. Near the top here, let's draw a curve. Then from the sides, let's bring it down. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Next, let's move inside and add the teeth. At the top, let's draw a V shape. And the same thing at the bottom. Now let's draw another one on an angle next to it on both sides. Now let's move up, and in the middle, let's draw another one on the left and on the right. And then on the top, let's add two more. And then two more on the bottom sides. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's move up and add the eyes. Let's start on the top left and draw the first eye with the circle. And the same thing on the right. Then let's add one more circle in the middle on top. Now inside each eye, let's draw a curve on the bottom left. And now let's color them all in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move up and draw the shape of the head with a curve on top. And now let's add the bow on the head. On the top right here, let's draw a rectangle shape up and back down. Now let's draw the ends of the bow. Let's draw a diagonal line up and then curve it down. And the same underneath. Next, let's hop back down and finish drawing the body. On the sides here, near the bottom of the mouth, let's draw lines down on both sides. Now in the gaps on the side, let's draw the arms. Let's start with a curve up, and then bring it down. And the same thing on the right side. Now underneath the curve, let's draw an angle down to the side of the body. And then one more curve down, coming to a point to close off the arms. And that's it for the arms. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start on the bottom left of the body and let's draw a curve down and then angle it in at the bottom. And the same thing on the right. Now let's hop up underneath and let's draw a curve underneath at the top here. Then from the ends, let's curve it down to meet the bottom at a point. And that's it for Nabnaleena. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!